May the peace, blessings, and mercy of God be upon you. Today, as usual, I present to you a very easy site for making money from the internet for beginners and without capital. This means that it is completely free and does not require any experience from you. You work on the site by clicking on ads and watching ads. You can earn daily from this site. If you work on it well and with effort and really want to earn, you can collect between 5, 7, and 10 daily. This is the average. You can do it daily from the site if you work on it continuously. I think this is an amount that is neither large nor small. So let us go to the website so that it won't be too long for you and the video is not long. And you will find a registration link on the website in the video description and in the first pinned comment. The first time you click on the link after you enter the article, you will find the link inside the article. You open this page and after that you click here, you write your username, here is the email and here is the password for your account. Make sure that it is a strong password. You will click on I am not a robot. After that you click on register and then you have created an account on the site. After you log into the site, this main page will open in front of you in this way. Leave me alone before I quickly explain to you. Let us enter and withdraw the profit we have. This is currently my profit on the site. In order to know exactly how much this is in dollars, I start writing here the value, travel point, 0.0010565, about $3.18. I had previously withdrawn from this site. You will find other videos also in the description that explain this site in detail. You will then click on withdraw. After that, I will choose the withdrawal method, which is Payeer. As you can see, these are the withdrawals that I made before. This value was approximately $9. It was about $3 too. Start writing the value 2. I will withdraw it. I will just reduce this. Instead of 2, make it 1. Then press withdraw. Very excellent, guys. He told me that you made a withdrawal. The withdrawal will be delivered to you within 10 minutes to 24 hours. You will find the payment has been made. The payment was made. This is under review. Of course, during this, I will show you the amount that arrived, which is $3.18, and I will tell you that it arrived a few hours after the withdrawal. It's like writing from 10 minutes to 24 hours. Okay, let's go directly to the method of making money from the site so as not to be long for you. We will return to the home page. Of course, your account statistics appear here. I saw how many ads, what did you win, what did you pull, what are your replacements, your registration date, and so on. Of course, the site has something paid, but I will not explain it, and you want to know what is paid. Watch the video in the description, but now I will explain the free one without capital. First, you will click on click to pay. What does it mean to trust you? You will see ads when you click on these ads. In exchange for this, you get money. I mean, if we click like this on the first ad, all that is required of me is to open the advertisement page. I worked, I didn't work, this is something that doesn't concern me. Open the advertisement page and wait for the period of time that is available to me. After that, I earn the value that was written next to the ad. I mean, how many seconds do we wait together? Immediately you earn this value. He opened this website with me, which is the advertisement. Close like this. It will come back to the site and the value has been added with 4 values. If we do this on the download, you will find the added value, which is 150, and so on for the rest of the ads. I just don't want to explain it to you for a long time. I will try to summarize it as much as possible for you. Okay, then you have something called challenges, and this is a very beautiful thing. These are tasks that if you complete, you will receive an additional bonus. I mean, they tell you that if you see a solid advertisement, you will take what is this value. If you see or ahlat, let's go to the short link. These are links. If you click on them like this, he will open a website for you. Every once in a while, a site opens for you, waiting for you to solve the CAPTCHA. Like shortening links, you get the value after you finish shortening this link. You will wait for the period, or you will continue to wait and worry about the pages that he is presenting in front of you. I mean, here I am, waiting for these 5 seconds. I start clicking on continue and continue until I return to the site and it takes the value that was written. I'll start to wait here for 10 seconds. Then click on get the link. Immediately we came back to me and he told me that you took this value, which is 350. This is for short links. You then have a daily reward, daily bonus. Every day you visit this page and click on get bonus. But you take this value from currencies. This is for the daily bonus. Okay, as for deposit, it is a small form like this. The site has something called the ability to increase profits from watching ads, and there is also something called cloud mining. Okay, what does this mean? If we go back to the dashboard like this, you have 3 plans here. Among them is the plan, the first plan, the second plan, which is business. This plan is $10, this plan is $50, this plan is $100. I was the buyer of this plan. Okay, what does this plan do? Let the profit increase by 50. I mean, if you earned $1, that would leave you $50 and so on. This is what this level does. It increases your percentage of profit from advertisements depending on the level, of course. Here you press X10, here X50, here X100. This is for the first thing. As for the second matter, which is cloud mining, if we click on this, it is the possibility that you deposit money starting from $10, and every day in your hands is 1% of the amount that you add to your account. From the first $10 up to this large amount, I don't know how much he gives you, 5%. But the more you increase the deposit amount, the more you increase the percentage you take per day. Of course, you can work for free. You are not required to work for a paid amount. But I am presenting it to you so that you will be aware of everything on the site. These automatic referrals, if you are going to employ them under you and you take a percentage of their profit, you pay this value for a period of 1 day and you pay this value for a period of 7 days. Marketing shows you the referrals registered through you, the number of clicks, the number of people who worked with you, their profit and so on, and the percentage that you can take through them. This is if you are going to make an advertisement on the site for your site and it wants to receive visits, just as you fear visits from people. No, you want to get visits and you are the one who will pay to get visits from the site. This is, in short, everything about the site. I wanted to summarize for you everything and the method of profit. And everything you can withdraw your profits in a very easy, very simple way. Almost from the first $1 you can withdraw your profits. If you withdraw on PayPal, withdraw from the first one. Of course, from the settings here, you add your Payeer account. In the settings, you choose the payer and it is placed here. After that, you click on withdraw to withdraw from it directly when you collect $1 or your profits. And that was all about the site. Of course, during the montage, I will leave you the picture that proves the withdrawal we made of $3.18. And I told you he arrived after what time, because currently it has not yet been written, it is under review. As soon as it arrives, I will show it the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you all. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God. As you can see here, guys, the withdrawal arrived approximately after exactly an hour and a half or an hour and a half later. The proof of withdrawal in front of you is $3.21.